Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 8th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So I'm on the 4 hour time frame today instead of the 1 hour because the 4 hour is much more clear what's going on. After yesterday's FOMC news, I think we can confirm that we definitely got to move to the downside ahead of us. We got a nice break of structure. So what really is noticeable here is that we made one, two, three waves down. We definitely made one, two, three waves up, and now we have a break of structure. So more than likely, this is either a 333 pattern or a 335 pattern. I think it's going to more likely end up being a 335 pattern. And my target for a 335 pattern, because the 161, 178 is right here, I think I would actually be targeting the 261, 278, which gets us all the way down to the 38% Fibonacci retracement of the trend. So I think this is likely an expanding ABC correction. I think it's likely to go down to the 38%, right around the 0.624 area, potentially before we end up continuing the uptrend. So if this analysis is true, then we definitely will most likely spend at least the next week or two looking for pullback entries to go short on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.